Ow. Oh, a lot of shield recharges.
Put your shield down. Oh. Oh my god, dude.
Every time he's getting beamed.
Fucking aimbot.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, this dude's actually got an aimbot. Oh no, his shield's up. Fuck.
We can kill it. I can't fucking get a lock on it.
Yeah, cause it keeps tossing him shit.
Jesus Christ.
The last team that was with us left because one of their team died.
Oh shit.
Oh nope, there they are.
I got 2 clips left.
Get it, it's on fire.
Oh.
Fuck, bro. I got 1 clip left. Holy shit. That's it. That's all I got.
Go ahead and start leaving then if you can't do it more.
I can throw blaze grenades at it.
Yeah, I have blaze grenades.
Oh my god. Rocketeer,
Shield
bro.
is up though. We gotta shoot it 4.
Oh my god, Rocketeer, bro.
Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked. We gotta go.
Go in here, go in here. Come here, come here. Oh my god.
I'm dead.
That Rocketeer, dude.
Holy shit. The Leaper hopped on me, like.
Rocketeer, watch out, watch out.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Rocketeer above me, bro.
Damn.
Follow me.
Yeah, I'm low pain. You're gonna have to grab me quick.
I got defibs, bro. You're chilling. It's on fire, bro. It's down.
It's a fucking Rocketeer. We gotta kill it.
Oh my god, it's right here.
Oof. Rocketed me. Be careful, Hera. Oh. Yeah, that shit.
Oh my god. Come down in here.
Oh, he got away. Revive him. Revive him. He went away.
Just chill real quick, chill. Alright, so no more energy ammo. Fuck.
I have only 2 clips left. Let me reload and drop you
You
one.
wanna drop me a clip? Yeah. Oh, but
That's all I got.
it's all good.
Oh, he's dead? He's dead!
Oh, he's dead! Oh my god, we just gotta deal with these
He's
guys.
after people.
There's people looting. No, 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 you're not looting my first matriarch.
The ball's gone. We gotta look for the ball.
We're cooked. Hello?
Ah, that shit's gone, dude. I don't see it.
What? I don't know how I died. Not gonna lie.
Payne, where are you? Let me see.
I'm
They
down
fucking
here.
looted everything, dude. I'm pissed.
They did?
Yeah, everything's gone.
Damn. That's fucked up, dude.
Yeah.
Well, the ball's over here.
Oh, maybe they didn't.
An arc orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing. 10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10 minutes.
Okay.
Got an
Damn, I'm
Aphelion blueprint. That's cool.
I got nothing, dude.
I already have the Aphelion blueprint, though.
What?
Let's go. Let's extract.
Bro,
You guys can keep that gun on you, though. It's worth a pretty penny.
I can't go out like that. We gotta keep looting this thing.
You guys can keep on looting. I'm out, bro. I came here for the queen reactors mainly. And helping to get the Jupiter blueprint.
Oh god.
Oh, someone triggered a trap. They're over there at the bottom beneath the highway. Or dam.
I was literally behind something too.
I'm trying to kill it.
You want me to wait till you're at the raider hatch?
Be careful, Payne.
Fuck, I don't have any more defense.
Yeah, let's
Bro,
just
how's
get
that
out
thing
of
not
here.
dead? I've thrown so many blaze grenades on this.
I don't have health. I don't have shit.
Guys, I have no health. I gotta go.
Oh, he
Get the
got it.
hatch key?
We got it.
Head home at the Red Lake balcony list.
We built this city on rock and roll.
do need a bastion cell. Be careful, there's some snitches above you.
I got you. Damn, I can't believe they looted everything. Oh, hey, at least it was fun.
Yeah, I killed it. It's the first time I've killed one, so I'm good with that.
Facts.
I want to go after a queen next, though. I need the Jupiter blueprint. That sniper, I want it.
Bro, why is it sliding away from me? Because I had a bastion cell in it, that's why. Alright, I'm coming. Damn, bro.
I know.
Oh, it's Armageddon, bro. Oh my god.
All raiders, we have Ark on screen. 5 minutes left. Go find a way home. I repeat, 5 minutes.
There's kids on me.
I'm right here.
They're shooting me,
hit
they're
it.
shooting me, they're shooting me.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Bro, they're killing me, bro.
It's over, bro.
Oh,
It's
pain,
over.
pain.
Oh my god, I'm
God.
dead. Like, why don't you fuck? Oh, niggas just left me, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, fuck y'all. Oh my god, I could have healed y'all, bro. Y'all just gotta ask. Oh my god, nigga. Oh my god.
Damn, I thought you were right in front of me.
Nigga, no, bro.
I thought that was you saying
Man,
that.
I'm so done, bro. Man, I'm off this shit, bro. What the fuck?
Shit.
Yeah, I would be pretty tight too.
I'm not gonna lie, I just wanted to get out of there. I waited for you guys. I don't know. what's
Yeah,
your
you
guys'
waited a
problem.
while, so I don't
It
know.
was up to you.
He wanted to take that bastion.